Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use Affinity on your PC or laptop. Now, as you can see on my desktop here, I have Affinity. I'm going to quickly open it, show you that this is a working version, and Affinity is by Canva. It's really an interesting application, I must say. It brings everything all in one space. It's powerful. It's really powerful. I've been using it for a while, and I'm telling you guys, it's really interesting. Here's also a new version available. I'm gonna go ahead and just use that and upgrade it in a bit. But let's just go ahead and just open up Affinity here. So I have basically some projects that I was working on and some images and so forth, right? So I'm going to go ahead and open up this one right here. And this is just a blank project. So you can see right here, it's working, right? Now, if you want to use Affinity on your PC or laptop, it is super easy to do. I'm going to go ahead and open up a browser here and just simple type in Affinity, right? So if you type in Affinity.studio, you will be taken over to the official website of Affinity. So it's Affinity.studio, and you will be taken over to this page here. And as you can see right here, it's Affinity. It's by Canva. And the first thing I want to mention here from this page is that you will need to have a Canva account. So it's your Canva account ID. That's what you will be signing in with. So your email address that you have associated with Canva, that's what you will be using to sign in once you download Affinity. And all you have to do is just simple click and get Affinity in the upper right. It's going to take you over here. It's going to say for free. Just simple click sign up to download, and you will be seeing this page here. So what you will need to do is to switch or log into your Canva account. So it's going to take you right here. It's going to give you a pop-up and say, okay, continue. If this is the account that you have Canva with, just simple click and continue, and you will be taken over to this page here where you can choose for what platform or which OS you want to download it for. Now right here you can see that it's available for Mac and Windows. So if you're using a PC, Windows PC, you'll download this version. Keep in mind that you want to click the drop down and choose from these options. So depending on whichever one you want, as you can see, they have the exe for ARM64. In my case, I download the exe x64, and you can know this by the type of computer that you have. So for example, if I click this Windows icon and I type in system info, I can click on system information on my Windows PC, and here you can see my system type is x64 based PC. So knowing that, I would just choose this x64 version here and I can download it. And of course, exe is better for downloading than the Windows right here. So I'm going to just download this one here and basically run the installer. So if you're not new to Windows, you know that you just click it and you download it. Once a file for this application is finished downloaded, you will just double click and run that. It's going to require administrative privilege, so you want to go ahead and allow that and install it on your PC. Now, as you can see here, the file is just over 600 megabytes, so you just need to be patient. And if you have a quick internet connection, that's going to be super fast, and you'll just download and install that on your PC. And yeah, once you download and install it, guys, then you will be able to use Affinity. And as I showed you there, I have it on my PC. You can easily go ahead and start making your designs, edit. You can do so much with Affinity. If you'd like to learn more about Affinity, check out the playlist at the end of this video. I have a few videos there that you may find useful. These are going to help you to get started knowing the basics about Affinity and how it works, how you can get started with your design and so forth. But yeah, it's a breath of fresh air comparing to Canva. And yeah, you can do a whole lot. So if you find value here, guys, I would appreciate if you give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. If you'd like to learn something more, I'll be more than happy to take the time to create more tutorials and show you guys how to use Affinity. So if you want to learn something, put in the comments below. I'll have a look at those comments. I'll make a tutorial showing you how to do those different tasks. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.